Flip phones are back, but not like you remember. Meet the brand new Motorola Razr 60, a sleek foldable that blends retro vibes with cutting-edge tech. If you've been waiting for a stylish foldable that actually makes sense, this might be the one. First up, the design. Motorola nailed it again. Slim, premium, and with that iconic Razr flip. The main display is a gorgeous 6.9-inch POLED screen with a 144Hz refresh rate. On the outside, you get a handy 3.6-inch cover screen, perfect for quick replies, navigation, or even snapping selfies without unfolding. Under the hood, the Razr 60 packs the Dimensity 7400X chip with up to 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage, keeping things smooth whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. It runs Android 15 with Motorola's light skin, so you get a clean, fast experience. And yes, AI features are baked in, making your phone smarter with every use. The cameras? You're looking at a 50-megapixel main sensor, plus a 13-megapixel ultra-wide. Flip it shut, and that outer screen turns into a killer selfie viewfinder. Powering all this is a 4500 mAh battery with fast charging, enough to last you through the day and then some. So, is the Motorola Razr 60 the foldable we've been waiting for? With its modern performance, stylish design, and that nostalgia-packed flip, it just might be the best foldable for everyday users in 2025. Would you pick this over a Samsung Z Flip or even an iPhone? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.